channel. My name is Jessica if you are new here, and for today's video we have a 4th of July kind of like a get ready with me or look, I guess, makeup look, outfit, hair, whatever. It's like a complete 4th of July video. I don't know. So this video is also a collab with one of my YouTube friends. Her name is Addison, and she's also making a 4th of July related video. She's doing something a little bit different, so if you're interested in seeing that, make sure you go check out her channel. I'll have it linked down below. Make sure you're following her on Instagram and everything. We actually both live in Indiana, which is really cool. So yeah, go check her out, and I think that's all I have to say. I guess let's just get on with the video. It was kind of all over the place, I'm not gonna lie, but we made it through. We're here. As you can see, we already have like a glimpse at the completed look, so I'm gonna shut up now and let's just get on with the video. Before I start my foundation, I'm just gonna prime my skin. This is the only primer I've ever really used. This is the Revlon Prep Set and Refresh, so I'll also use this later to set my face, but this is what we're doing for now. So I switched the lighting, I switched the what's it called, the zoom. So here we are. Sorry for the random change. I'm only a video production major. I don't know what I'm doing. For foundation, I'm going to use the Revlon Color Stay. This is what I always use. It's literally the lightest shade that they have. And I could use like some sort of BB cream or CC cream, which is probably what I would recommend normally. My skin is like breaking out and we need something to make it look better. So here we are with the foundation. I changed the lighting again because I'm a professional videographer. It just doesn't look right to me, so I'm sorry it keeps changing, but it's driving me crazy. So next I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to use that to highlight under my eyes and to conceal everywhere that's breaking out, which is pretty much my entire face at this point. So to set that concealer, I'm taking this Bella Pierre Cosmetics HD Finishing Powder. I've only used this a couple of times, but I kind of wanted to try and use it again and see what happens. So this is just a loose translucent powder. I'm almost out of this. You've seen me use this 1,000 times. This is the Fit Me face powder. And I just take that on a stippling brush and set wherever I did not put the loose powder. For bronzer today, I'm going to use this. This is from the Balm. It's a Take Me Home One Direction album. Okay, this is the Take Home the bronzer in the shade Oliver. For blush, I'm using this Pixie by Petra. This is in the shade Beach Rose. It's a really deep color and it's super pigmented, so you don't need a lot. For highlight, I kind of want to do something a little bit more fun. This is by Winky Lux, and this is their holographic highlighter. So I don't know if you can see that on camera at all. Probably not. Definitely not. I'll try and see if I can get like a better picture or something so I can show you what it looks like in real life, but you can definitely see like there's some color there. It's super pink. I just filmed my eyes, like my entire eye makeup. I realized that I hated it, so I took it off, and now we're back, and now I'm going to restart. First of all, I already primed my eyes, already set that primer, and now I'm going to go in with, this is a shadow from Urban Decay. It's called Beware. It's just a nice brown transition shade. So I'm going to focus that on the outer corner and then just work on blending that into my crease. If you are an OG YouTube fan, YouTube makeup guru, whatever fan, you would know this. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Bethany Moda, is that you? Because this is something she would use back in the day. I'm just going to focus that on my inner lid, I guess. If I had a white eyeshadow, I would probably use that, but I don't have one. So we're going to go with this. Just kind of, I don't know, dot it on there, I guess. It looks really bad until you blend it in, so I'm just gonna blend that in with my ring finger. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of the glitter gel glitter liner and just focus that on the inner corners and very lightly blend it kind of towards the middle. Now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and wing my eyeliner. My battery is going to die, so I'm going to do this off camera, switch out my battery, and I will be right back. Is this a wand? Like, alright, listen to this. Oh my gosh. At some point, my camera stopped recording. I don't know when. I don't know how. I don't know why. So I'm here. Here's what's happened. We got the winged liner, the glitter on my eyes. I mixed 3 different colors to get this lip color. I don't know if it got my mascara, but basically I used the Tarte Man-Eater mascara. That is where we are at. I don't know why, but the universe does not want me to film this video today because this has been a struggle. The best part of the entire makeup routine is setting my face. So I'm going to set everything with the Revlon Photo Ready. I used this at the beginning of the video, which feels like forever ago. Okay, to avoid any more stress and or catastrophes, I'm just going to add this little cute headband to my hair and call it a day. This is from Claire's, actually, and I'm just going to put that in like a normal headband and then take out some pieces in the front so I don't look crazier than I already do. So now that that is done, it is time for the best part, the outfit. So let me go put on my outfit and show you what we're working with. So I just said I have this headband from Claire's and then jewelry. I really went all out with the jewelry today. I'm wearing these giant, I guess they're not that big, but for me they're big, gold hoops. These are from Express. This same gold choker that I wear like all the time, I think this is from Express as well. And this tank top was $3 from Rue 21. This was in my summer haul, and I think I said this would be perfect for 4th of July. And here we are, wearing it for the 4th of July. This skirt is from Aeropostale, just a denim, like, distressed skirt. And then, okay, I went back and forth on the shoes. At first I was wearing my Adidas. I might still just wear my Adidas, but just wearing these white sandals that I got from, like, a random shoe store, like, I don't know, shoe department or something like that. I think it turned out pretty well. This video was kind of a disaster, as you know, but it turned out pretty well. And how about we have a cute, fun 4th of July montage, because I'm feeling a little bit, I don't know, extra. No. Hi, my name's Jessica, and you're watching Disney Channel. I'm sweating. Okay, sorry, that's it. I'm out here in my front yard and there's totally people everywhere. It's fine. The things I do for YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I know it was super all over the place and crazy, but would it be one of my videos if it wasn't a mess? Make sure you go check out Addison's video. Again, it will be linked in the description. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I really want to take some photos in this outfit because it's pretty dang cute. And I think that's all I have to say. So I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye guys!